Welcome everyone. This is going to be a short video, just a brief update how I'm doing with these custom indicators, which I was telling a lot of things about in the live streams. Well, these indicators are made for MetaTrader, but I'm using them for trading futures as well. And especially this account has been made on an FTMO test challenge account. I'm going to show you my results from the past couple of weeks. You can use it perfectly to trade with futures prop firms because if you take US 100, the chart is 99.9% exactly the same. So the trades I took were perfectly identical with the futures charts. So I was registering for this account at FTMO. You can have a free trial for 2 weeks and anyone can test their skills, and that's a real positive thing. Not really too many prop firms out there that can do that for you. But so with FTMO, I registered for a MetaTrader account. I downloaded and installed indicators and set up a system myself. And as you can see, we have US 100, which is the Nasdaq, and I was trading US 2000, which is the Russell. I know many of you guys don't really trade it, but you can also use it for S&P or the Dow, whatever. Anyway, let's jump into the results and let me show you what happened. So I started out with the first test account in December 29 last year. Now I made a few trades with Bitcoin because the markets were closed, so I wanted to test out the system. But so far I'm very pleased. This is a 50K account. I did not pass it, as you can see. I haven't made it through, but still I managed to make 1.8% by risking on average $86, which I'm very proud of. This was a really great run. So I was going with $86 average risk and for a $120 average profit. These were my trading days. So far so good. I'm very happy about the results. All the trades were taken in confluence with the indicator and with some of the smart money concepts, which I'm not going to go into details right now. I just wanted to share the results. Average win rate here on this account was 54%. Risk reward was 1.39. So it was good. But then on the second account, I decided to go a little bit crazy. Let me show you right here. There you go. So here I made a few swings here and there. Started at the 17th of January, ended on the 30th of January. Almost broke the rule, but that's not the point. I tried to do with a little bit bigger lot sizing here. Almost blew the account, but still my main goal was to go for at least 1-to-1 risk reward. And the win ratio was still good, 59% win rate with a risk reward of over 1. Average loss $266, average profit $281. So I was still trading the US 100, as you can see, and the US 2000 cash, which FTMO has here. So I'm very pleased. The results still managed to make 5% in a couple of trading days by only risking about 0.5%, which I think it's very good. But then we stepped a little bit further. I'm already doing my third account here, but so far the results are not that good. Already up $766. Started this one on the 31st of January. Only had 3 trading days. I had so the difference here, and it's the average risk reward is very interesting because if I take partial profit on MetaTrader, then it calculates a little bit different. The risk reward has been calculated differently. So I had a great day on the 1st of February. The win ratio is 64%. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay this high for long. But anyway, I'm very pleased with the system. It's still an ongoing account, but the previous ones were very good as well. Very good results. The details and everything about the indicators is going to come out in a few days. Make sure to subscribe. I'm curious about your comments as well. And yes, you can use this indicator. This was, by the way, a nice short setup on the 2nd of February. So you can use it in a perfect alignment with whatever prop, whatever futures prop firm you're trading with, TOPSTEP, Apex, whatever. I'm gonna do a real detailed video about this. This was just a short update. I'm looking forward to an exciting week, and guys, join me on the streams because not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to trade much more with this setup. So details are coming. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the live streams. Cheers.